Your vehicle has a variety of meters, gauges, and indicator lights to help you monitor battery status. Monitoring these displays and adjusting your personal driving techniques accordingly helps minimize the energy usage in your vehicle. The energy level gauge is located here and shows the current charge of the lithium-ion battery. This is the energy usage indicator. The EV zone shows the output during EV driving. When the needle is in this zone, the vehicle can continue to drive in EV mode. The charge zone shows the charging power generated by the regenerative brake, and the engine output zone indicates the engine output. When the vehicle is turned off, the charge information can be found in the vehicle information display, including the remaining charge time and current charging status. By using these controls, you can also see things like energy economy, EV driving time ratio, energy flow, and drive battery temperature. To view the energy usage information for your vehicle, press the menu button on the control panel, touch Info, EV, then Energy Usage. From this screen, you can see driving range and combined power usage of the vehicle. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.